Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable battery saver on this laptop. To do it, right-click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of the screen on the status bar, then go to Power and Sleep settings, then select Energy Saver, and to enable it manually, switch this toggle to the right, or you can expand this list and choose the value which indicates the battery level at which your energy saver will start working. If you select always, your battery saver will enable automatically when your device is unplugged from the power source. And this option lets you decide whether you want to lower your screen brightness when using energy saver. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.